Commanders morning. 7 siboshiwe. Ama-foreigners agcwele eKosi nase-maternity yaseKosi akhona ama-foreigners so siboshiwe. Asazi ukuthi siboshelwe on which accounts. Bavele nje basibizela amaphoyisa uzodwa uhlala sisukumeza emakliniki njalo nje masenza ama-programs.
Welcome guys, this is your boy Chico Mokia. Welcome back to Polan Mzansi channel. Today we are going to check what's going on after those three Operation Dudula members arrested. Because like I'm going to show you what's really happened, and then after that I'm going to hear your thoughts. What do you think after this problem? So don't forget to subscribe, share, like it, and like it.
Commanders morning. 7 siboshiwe. Ama-foreigners agcwele eKosi nase-maternity yaseKosi akhona ama-foreigners so siboshiwe. Asazi ukuthi siboshelwe on which accounts. Bavele nje basibizela amaphoyisa uzodwa uhlala sisukumeza emakliniki njalo nje masenza ama-programs. So namhlanje usibizela amaphoyisa. More than 20 police officers came to arrest ama-commanders ayi-3 awabomama. Imagine. So siyahamba khona manje asazi ukuthi siyakoyiphi police station, basitshele nje ukuthi siboshiwe. So abasifundelanga nama-right wethu nix, sivele nje safakwa evenini njengoba nisibona nje ma-commanders. Siyahamba ke manje siboshiwe.
Commander morning. Ama-foreigner ngaphakathi eKosi maningi
Agcwele.
so kuboshwa thina nje
amaphoyisa ethu sukumeza thina.
Batswadi community South Africans re mo Holani Clinic ne in Mamelodi. We started doing the cleaning campaign at the foreigners from last week Monday. We started in Nel Mafias, so from there we went to Pahamen Clinic. This is Holani Clinic. This is the state of the people. Holani Clinic, we had less than 60 people today. Foreigners are no more allowed here. We are sick and tired. We are taking charge of our clinics. Our clinics.
Chico Mokia. She's alright.